Oh.
Rain is hot. Rain is what hot? This. That is hot?
Oh, because the water, it's hot water, Max.
Rain is too red. Rain is red now. Rain is red.
What are you making, Max? And what are you making, Leo?
You'll see.
Oh.
You will see that.
You guys are both making surprises, huh? Max, look at me. Look at me. Max.
You got my pen.
Oh, you're keeping your eyes on your work, huh? That looks good, Leo.
And I'm going to change the color.
All right, you guys look at both of you. Look at me. Max, look.
Wait, now it's red.
Oh, Max is changing colors. Max, look at me. Wave bye.
Bye.
Leo, wave bye.